I struggle coming up with content sometimes because of my job, because I do DUI therapy, and well, most of what I hear every day is confidential, so I can't be blabbing it out in public, so I don't say it on social media. But I did have a meta thought about my job this week, and that was that, in the last 2 years, I would estimate that I have seen about 400 clients who were mandated to DUI therapy, and that's just a fraction of the 19,000 that are sentenced to DUI therapy every year here in Colorado. But there's something missing from the demographics of all the clients that I've seen. I've seen a lot of, restaurant staff. I've seen a lot of hospital staff, nurses in particular. I've seen a lot of construction workers, but I have yet to see a policeman. And I've worked for multiple agencies and should have a pretty good cross-section of the general public. And so I went ahead and looked up the statistics, and their per capita is about 25 people who work for the police department per 10,000 in the Denver metro area, and about 20 of those should be police officers, and then 5 admin staff. But I have never, ever had anyone who worked for the police department in my DUI therapy groups in any of the agencies I've worked for as a hired gun. So, doing the math, I figure that I should have had one by now. And I wonder if that's because they're getting, preferential treatment when they get pulled over. If somebody is, deserving of a DUI, but they flash their badge, do they just get away with it? It's possible. I've also never had a flying while intoxicated client, and I'm in the same city as Denver International Airport, and I've never seen him boating while intoxicated. While we have a lot of lakes here in Colorado and a lot of people with boats. No, that's never happened. But as far as what I'm looking to check off my bingo card next, I'm keeping my eyes peeled for that police officer.